Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix battery drain on your POCO X8 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and go to the battery. We're going to open up the settings. Here we're going to scroll a bit down until we see the battery. And here in the battery, what we're going to do is we're going to go over to the battery usage. So we're going to go to the active. And now we got the apps right here. So these are the apps that are using most of our battery. So of course the POCO launcher, we cannot change it. We cannot do anything to it. Of course we can force stop it, but this will basically break down everything and it may misbehave in the future. We don't want it. Here we can go over to the get apps for an example, and we can restrict the background activity. And now the app won't be used in the background ever again. And now we also can do that for the camera. We can do that for every single app. We can do it for the Google Play Store. As you guys can see, we're going to click restrict background apps, click OK, and everything's done. So now we basically just fix our battery drain, but there's a lot more than that. So as you guys can see, this is a MIUI phone. It comes with a lot of bloatware. It's always been like that. Here we got a lot of games that we did not install. So what we can do here is we can go over to the app library just like this, and we're gonna find these apps one by one. We're gonna click here on the trash icon and click uninstall. So we're gonna hold it, press on the trash bin, and click uninstall. Now we can do that for every single game. I'm pretty sure that these games are useless and you really do not need them here. And as you guys can see, we just got rid of like 5 games. Now I'm pretty sure it's the 6th one, and there's a lot more, but here you guys can simply do that just to make sure that there's little to no bloatware on your device. So as you guys can see, there's 4 more from what I see here. And after you uninstall those apps, what you guys can do is go over and install AccuBattery. So the AccuBattery is actually a diagnostics app. There's more games, but we're not going to delete them on video. You guys can do that. I'm not going to take your time. We're going to go to Play Store, and here we're going to go to search. Now in the search, we're going to search for the AccuBattery, and it's right here. We're going to tap on this app right here made by Digibytes, and we're going to click install. So it's only 11, oh, it's more, it's almost 15 megabytes. It's not that much. We're going to go over and click open. Now let's go over and scroll down. And as you guys can see, there's a calibration process. Let's click continue. And here we got the battery design capacity. So now you want to make sure that your POCO X8 Pro has a little less than that. It's actually a bit lower. So sometimes the calibration is not good. Sometimes it might show you, oh, it's 6500. I was pretty sure it said 75. But if it says 75, then you can set the design capacity to 6500, and this is the typical one for this device. We're going to click finish now, and basically whenever it tells you the wrong calibration, then you can just simply redo it yourself. And what you guys can do now is make sure that there's no red things right here. So if you see one red thing, it's normal. It's only the app not working properly in the background. So let's go over to the battery details and let's scroll. We need to find the AccuBattery. So we're going to go to apps, and now the AccuBattery. Now, of course, we don't want to pause the app activity, and we want to make sure that it runs in the background. So as you guys can see, we're going to go to no restrictions. We're not going to do the battery saver, and now there won't be anything. So we want to go over to health. If there's nothing about our battery being damaged, then we are good to go. But I would recommend also doing 5 charges from lower than 15% to 100. So it will set your battery health and design capacity, estimated capacity, and everything else. So here you will also have the battery overtime, and this is pretty cool. So now what you guys can do as a last resort is simply restart the phone. So press the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Now swipe down to reboot, and I'll see you guys in a second. Now, as a last resort, all you guys can do is go over to the authorized device center. So there may be an error that user cannot find, and you simply need to give it to the authorized service so they can check what's wrong with your battery. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.